ॐ वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। कारके
कारके
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
ध्रुवम् अपाये अपादानम्
मित्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
भीत्रार्थानां भयहेतुः
अराजेरसोढः
पराजेरसोढः
वारणार्थानाम् अनीप्सितः
वारणार्थानीप्सितः
अन्तर्धो येनादर्शनमिच्छति
अन्तर्दो येनादर्शनमिच्छति
आख्यातोपयोगे
आख्यातोपयोगे
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
जनिकर्तुः प्रकृतिः
भुवः प्रभवः
भुवः प्रभवः
कर्मणा यमविप्रैति ससम्प्रदानम्
कर्मणा यमविप्रैति सम्प्रदानम्
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
रुच्यर्थानां प्रीयमाणः
श्लाघन्नुस्ताशपानीप्स्यमानः
श्लाघन्नुस्ताशपामीप्स्यमानः
धारेरुत्थमर्णः
धारेरुत्तमर्णः
स्पृहेरीप्सितः
स्पृहेरितः
क्रुधद्रुहेर्ष्यासूयार्तानां यं प्रतिकोपः
क्रुधद्रुहेर्ष्यासूयार्तानां यं प्रतिकोपः
क्रुधद्रुहोरुपसृष्टयो कर्म
क्रुधद्रुहोरुपसृष्टयोः कर्म
राधीक्ष्योर्यस्य विप्रश्नः
अदीक्ष्यो यस्य विप्रश्नः
प्रत्याङ्भ्यां श्रुवः पूर्वस्य कर्ता
प्रत्याभ्यां शुभपूर्वस्य कर्ता
अनुप्रतिगृणश्च
अनुप्रतिश्च
साधकतमं करणम्
साधकतमं करणम्
दिवःकर्म च
विवक्कर्म च
परिक्रयणे सम्प्रदानं मन्यतरस्याम्
परिग्रहे
प्रतिग्रहे
सम्प्रदानम्
सम्प्रदानम्
अन्यतरस्याम्
अन्यतरस्याम्
आधारोऽधिकरणम्
आधारोऽधिकरणम्
अधिशींस्तासाम् कर्म
अधिशींस्तासाम्
कर्म
कर्म
अभिनिविशश्च
अभिनिविशश्च
उपान्वद्भ्यां वसः
उपान्वद्भ्यां वसः
कर्तुरीप्सिततमम् कर्म
कर्तुरीप्सिततमं कर्म
तथा युक्तं चानीप्सितम्
तथा युक्तं चानीप्सितम्
अकथितं च
अकथितं च
अकर्मक धातुभिर्योगे देशकालो भावो गन्तव्योऽध्वा च कर्म इति वाच्यम्
अकर्मकधातुर्योगे
देशकालो भावो
गन्तव्योऽध्वा च कर्म इति वाच्यम्
कर्म वाच्यम्
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानार्थशब्दकर्मा कर्मकाणाम् अणिकर्ता सनौ
गतिबुद्धिप्रत्यवसानात् शब्दकर्माकर्मकाणाम् अणिकर्ता
अणिकर्ता
सनौ
सनौ
हृक्रोरण्यतरस्याम्
ऋग्रोरण्यतरस्याम्
अभिवादिदुषोरात्मने पदे वेति वाच्यम्
अभिवादिदृशोरात्मनि वाच्यम्
वेति वाच्यम्
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
स्वतन्त्रः कर्ता
तत्प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
प्रयोजको हेतुश्च
Upapada vibhakti are of three types we saw. One is padantarat, other one
परिगणितपदात्
pariganita padat, other one artha
अर्थविशेषे
vishesha. For all the vibhakti. So we have seen Dvitiya vibhakti, now Dvitiya vibhakti exercises. आवर्णे विद्यमानैः पदैः रिक्तस्थानं पूरयत पृथक् अभितः सर्वतः उभयतः आरभ्य विना दिक् प्रति. And already we have seen the sutram also for this. What is the sutram prataknana?
पृथक् विना नानाभिः तृतीया
Anyatarasya.
अन्यतरस्याम्
2-3-32 that is.
Yes.
Then not all are given, but in our table everything is given. Kriya Visheshanam is not given, that's okay. Then Sarvataha Ubhayataha, that is a Vartika.
Okay.
Yeah, that Vartika is there. Vartika 2, 2-3, the beginning is.
Karmani Dvitiya Vartika is.
Yeah, Karmani Dvitiya. The beginning itself it is there. Then, yeah, that is one. Sarvato, Ubha Sarvato Soho, Karya. Dikparyadishu Trishu, Dvitiya Amridanteshu, Anyatrapi Drishyate, Matikam. Then some intransitive verb also can take karma. Adishingstam, Adishingstasam karma, that is one. And what is the other one? Adipurvaka, one is that. Upan Madhyang, another one. Upa, Adi, just now we chanted that also. Upan Madhyang Vasaha, Vasdatu. Abhinivishascha also. That also will be Atmane Pada. Ishdhatu to Parasmai Padi. With upasarga, it will become Atmanepadi. So these three. Okay, now 12.18. Jalam dash sasyani na vardhante.
Jalam vina sasyani na vardhanti.
वर्धन्ते
Tritiya anyatarasyam jalena vina also. Correct. Jalat vina also correct only.
Yeah.
Panchami also. Jalena, jalam jalena jalat. Panchami also coming as anuvritti for this 2-3 section. Dvitiya, Tritiya and Panchami also. Pratak Prina Nana Bhiki Tritiya Anyatarasyam Dvitiya and Panchami also. Apadare Panchami, that also. All three. Nadim dash Grihani Vartante.
Nadim ubhayataha grahani vartanti.
Ubayataha. Dushtam dash
Dushtam dik.
Dik. Dinesham dash Jalam Dadatu.
Jalam
Hmm?
Prati.
Prati. Dinesham Prati. Dinesham Prati Jalam Dadatu. So Jalam, what Karaka? What Vibhakti?
Ditya.
Is it not Karma Karaka? Karmatva Dvitiya. Dinesham Jalam Dadatu. We say in the language, Jalam, Dineshaha. Dadatu. Who is the recipient of the Jalam?
Dinesha.
Dinesha.
Should it not be Dineshaya Jalam Dadatu?
No, Prati is there.
Yeah, Prati is there. That is why, if Prati, the word is not there, then Dineshaya Jalam Dadatu would be proper. Because the word Prati is there, therefore Dinesham is correct. In the absence of the word Prati, Dineshaya Jalam Dadatu would be correct. So Prati is there, therefore it is Upapada Vibhakti. Dinesham Prati. Dashavadanam dash Chaturvadana Paryantam Pathaha Prachalanti.
Arabhya.
Arabhya. Arabhya, any sutram is there? Did we see any sutram for Arabhya?
I didn't see Jesus.
No, I don't think so.
Masa.
Just given an
Yeah, here it is. Arabhya iti kriyapekshaya karmatvasya vakshayam arabhyati asya yoge dvitiya bhakti bhavati. So, Siddhanta Kaumadi, Balamonarama, Kara says, Siddhanta Kaumadi. Arabhya iti kriyapekshaya karmatvasya vivekshayam arabhyati asya yoge dvitiya api bhavati. Balarama Siddhanta Kaumadi Sutra Sankhya so and so tada vasataha yam karaka vibhakti 29. Arabhya Ramavasaram Arabhya Pariksha Vartate. So in Siddhanta Kaumadi it is mentioned Sutra Sankhya.
595 in Siddhanta Kaumudi.
What is the Sutra 595? Check. So It's based on what Siddhanta Kaumadikara says. Balarama says for Siddhanta Kaumadi. Okay. Chaturvadanam Arabhya. Vriksham Sas.
Kshamyatamji. In that, this thing, Siddhanta Kaumadi 595, many sutras are there. Which one we have to take? Like Sahasupa is there. Anyarahaditara.
What is referring is not clear. Many are there. Siddhanta Kaumadi.
Actually, Siddhanta Kaumadi sutra number we can see in that this thing. The right side top, they have given all the like Sutra Pata, Dhatu Pata, Shabda Pata, and all they have given. In that, if we come down, Vyakarana Siddhanta Kaumadi, Balamanorama, Tattvabodhini, and all he has given.
Yeah.
In that Siddhanta Kaumadi, if we go there, 595 is type, we will get all the sutras in that.
One minute, let me check. No, you will have only 2329. 595 for different. Kaumadi is Siddhanta Kaumadi.
Yeah.
595, the sutra what he has given. I'm not sure whether the reference is correct here.
Yeah, 2329 is there. Anya
2329. Yeah, that is one.
Okay.
So there under Bala Manorama, this is given. So Siddhanta Kaumadi is here. Commentary to Siddhanta Kaumadi, Bala Manorama.
But Arabhya, that word is not there again.
Arabhya iti is given. Arabhya iti asya avadim
Parigruhretyartaha.
Parigruhet iti artaha. Parigrheti iti artaha. So he has given here Arabhya, even before that. Evam prabhuti shabda paryaya shabda yoge api panchami bhuti atayeva chakartika yaha prabhutim bhashya vyakyavasare tataha Arabhya iti artaha iti kayyataha mahabhashya commentator tatra hi tata panchamyastasihi etat sarvam avipreत्य udaharati bhavat प्रवृत्ति आरभ्य वा इति भवः उत्पत्तिः आरभ्य इति अस्य अवधिं परिगृह्रेत् इत्यर्थः.
So we have to take this.
अत्र आरभ्य इति क्रियापेक्षया कर्मविवक्षायां द्वितीया एव उपपदविभक्तेः कारकविभक्तिः बलीयसी इति उक्तेः. आरभ्य इति is taking Arabhya उत्पत्ति क्षणात् पूर्वं पूर्ववधिकारोत्तरकाले सर्वदा आरम्भणम्. ओके. अत्र आरभ्य इति क्रियापेक्षया कर्मत्वविवक्षायां द्वितीया एव उपपदविभक्तेः कारकविभक्तिः बलीयसी इति उक्तेः. यथा सूर्योदयम् आरभ्य आस्तम
आस्तमयात्
जपति इति आदौ सूर्योदयम् आरभ्य आस्तमयात्, that is up to that, जपति. शेषत्वविवक्षायां द्वितीया एव उपपदविभक्तेः कारकविभक्तिः उपपदविभक्तेः कारकविभक्तिः बलीयसी इति उक्तेः यथा सूर्योदयम् आरभ्य सेम् थिङ्ग् ऐ थिङ्क् रिपीटिङ्ग् शेषत्वविवक्षायां तु षष्ठी बाधित्वा भवशब्दात् पंचमी. Okay. So I think this is what he is quoting here and saying this is a karaka vibhakti. The word here it is taking Dvitiya vibhakti not because of
Upapada.
upapada, it is karaka. Footnote it arabhya iti kriya apekshaya karmatvasya vikshaya arabhya iti asya yoge Dvitiya api bhavati. सिद्धांत कौमुदी सूत्र संज्ञा बालमनोवकाशे तदा वस्तुतः इयं कारक विभक्तिः. So therefore arabhya is karaka vibhaktiः. Padantarat, because of this padam, here so in this example, somavasaram arabhya takes dvitiya vibhaktiः. Karma karakatvat. Karma vikshayam कर्मत्वस्य विवक्षायां आरभ्यते योगे द्वितीया भवति. So we have to take that as karma karaka, right? Okay. So therefore dashavadanam arabhya chaturvadana paryantam. Generally we say, we see like that, arabhya starting from so and so time or date, then up to that. Then either you will have Panchami also. Here it is Paryantam, the word is there. So Chaturvadana Paryantam up to, otherwise you will have sometimes Panchami. Take an example, Suryodayam Arabhya, Astamayat. Astamaya Paryantam, Astamayat, Panchami. So you have Panchami Vibhakti.
Okay.
Anyway, that Panchami is not the highlight here. Dvitiya Vibhakti.
So we can take Sutra 2329. That's what we have.
2329 commentary to Siddhanta Kaumudi. But we can take that by that Dvitiya Vibhakti.
Yes.
The discussion is on Prabhriti. Prabhriti yoge. Pravrityarthaka shabdah yoge. Panchami vibhakti bhavati. Anyway. Okay. Vriksham sasyam dash.
Prutak, we can.
Yeah, prutak, different. Vriksham sasyam. So prutak.
Sasya is different from Pruksha.
You can have Panchami also. Prutak. Anyaha. Yeah, in this example. Ambra vriksham panasa vrikshaha prutak. Panchami also is possible. Anyaha. Ambra vrikshat panasa vrikshaha prutak. We can say, why not? 2322, right? For it has got the anuvritti of Panchami also, I think.
332.
Sorry. Pratak Vina Nanavi Tatya Anyatarasyam. Panchami also coming as anuvritti here. So therefore Panchami also is possible. Dvitiya and Panchami and Tritiya also. The Tritiya, Panchami and Dvitiya. The Panchami also possible. Vrikshat Sasyam Pratak Bhavati. Why not? You can say. Vriksham Sasyam Pratak. Vrikshena also. Sasyam Pratak Bhavati. So we can say that way also. What is pratak? Sasyam is pratak from what? Vriksham or
Vriksha.
vrikshat or vrikshena. Kshetram
As
dash
in distinct.
yeah, distinct. Sasyam is distinct from vriksha. Upapada vibhakti. Pratak is therefore Dvitiya, Tritiya or Panchami. Kshetram dash vrittihi vartate.
Abhitaha.
Bitaha. Gudam dash pipilikaha santi.
Sarvataha.
Sarvataha. Then Tritiya. Now before that, here, in this, just a quick reading. Dvitiya vibhakti, we have read up to here. Pratama vibhakti. But this we saw. Then Pratama vibhakti. Gaugu goshtam agacchati. Chatrena shlokaha patyate. प्रथमवाक्यं कर्तरी प्रयोगः द्वितीय कर्मवाच्यः कर्मवाच कर्मणि प्रयोगः प्रातिपदिकात् लिङ्गपरिमाणवचनमात्रे प्रथमा इति नियत उपस्थिकः प्रातिपदिकार्थः. द लैंग्वेज ऑफ सिद्धांत कौमुदी. नियत उपस्थिकः मात्र शब्दस्य संबंधः प्रत्येकं योगः संबंधः प्रातिपदिकार्थ मात्रे लिंग मात्राद्यादिके संख्या मात्रे च प्रथमा स्यात्. प्रवृत्ति निमित्तं व्यक्तिश्च प्रातिपदिकार्थः. यथा वृक्ष इति प्रातिपदिकस्य वृक्षत्व विशिष्टः वृक्षः इत्यर्थः. वृक्षत्वं प्रवृत्ति निमित्तं. वृक्षः इज व्यक्तिः. वृक्षत्वम is only in the vriksha. It is not in the gata. Therefore, vrikshatvam is the pravritti nimitta. And vyakti is, of course, what is referring to. That is vrikshaha. That is a pratipadika. So, therefore, vrikshaha iti. Vriksha iti word. To convey the meaning of the word, that pratama vibhakti is used. So by the sutra pratipadika linga parimana vachane. So okay, then so Gauhu Goshtam Agachati. Gauhu Goshtam Agachati. Gauhu Go Shabda. Agachati denotes karta, Goshtam is karma. Go iti pratipadikasya artaha gotta vishishta gauhu iti. Therefore Go Shabdat pratama. So we saw this Go Shabda will take pratama vibhakti. There is no sutra for that. Where is the sutra? We say karta is abhigitam in kartari prayoga, therefore pratama we say. But actually it is, that is pratipadika artha by that sutra, 2332 only it is pratama. Kartrarte kartuhu pratama vibhakti ki bhavati. Right? Same thing for karmani prayoga also. Chatrena shlokaha patyate. So chatrena is kartakarmanyos tritiya. Shlokaha is प्रातिपदिकस्य अर्थः श्लोकत्व विशिष्ट श्लोकः इति. अतः श्लोक शब्दात् प्रथमा. 523 46 प्रातिपदिकार्थलिंग परिमाणवचने प्रथमा. by that इदम् अत्र अवधेयम्. गौः गोष्ठमागच्छति इति अत्र गौः कर्ता तथापि I think we have done this. We have seen कर्तृकरणयोः तृतीया इति सूत्रेण तृतीया न वर्तते. वै कुतः? कर्तरि अनभिहिते एव तृतीयायाः विधानात्. कर्तरि अनभिहिते is कर्तृकर्मणयोः तृतीया. When karta is anabhigita, then tritiya vibhakti is ordained by 2, 3, 18. कर्तृकरणयोः तृतीया. न तु अभिहिते. अभिहिते प्रथमा, whatever it may be. यथा गवा गोष्ठं गम्यते इति. गौः गोष्ठम् आगच्छति इति अत्र तु ति प्रत्ययेन आगच्छति कर्तुः अभिहितत्वात् उक्तत्वात् न तृतीया किन्तु प्रथमा वर्तते. कुतः? वै बिकॉज कर्तुः अभिहितत्वे अपि प्रातिपदिकार्थस्य सद्भावात्. प्रथमायाः निमित्तं प्रातिपदिकार्थः ननु. So प्रथमायाः निमित्तं is Pratipadika. The meaning of the Pratipadika is what is conveyed by the first case. So Kashikakara, in fact, he says Pratipadika Artaha Sattha. The mere existence of a thing is what is conveyed, is what is the meaning of the Pratipadika is. And that is by Pratama Vibhaktihi. The mere existence of a thing is what the Pratipadika meaning, and that is conveyed by Pratama. Therefore, Pratamayaha nimittam Pratipadikaartaha. एवं छात्रेण श्लोकः पठ्यते इत्यत्रापि अत्र श्लोकः कर्म तथापि कर्मणि द्वितीया न वर्तते. 232. वै कर्मणि अनभिहिते अनुक्ते एव द्वितीयायाः विधानात् न तु अभिहिते. यथा छात्रः श्लोकं पठति, छात्रेण श्लोकः पठ्यते इत्यत्र तु ते इति प्रत्ययेन कर्मणः अभिहितत्वात् उक्तत्वात् न द्वितीया. Karma is indicated, denoted, therefore karma will not take Bhitiya Vibhakti in Karmani Prayoga. Kintu Pratama. Why? Because Karmana Abhigitatve api. When karma is what is denoted, then it will not, even though karma is denoted, it doesn't take Dhitiya because Pratipadikaarthasya Sadbhavat. Because the meaning of the Pratipadikam is what is conveyed. Therefore, Pratipadikaarthaha hi Pratamayaha Pravrittau Nimittam, Pravritti Nimittam. That's what in the beginning it went. Pravritti Nimittam Vyaktischa Pratipadikaarthaha. Pratipadikaartha is what is conveyed by the word. Uchchehi Grigam Mityado. Avyayadapi Anena Eva Sutrena Pratama Bhavati. Uchchehi also. Uchchehi also, that is Avya. Uchchehi Grigam Mityado api Avyayadapi Anena Sutrena Eva Pratama. Lingam Parivana Vachanam Chaiti, Trini Padani Punaha Santi, Tena Tani Naiha Vyakyayante. Okay. So Pratipadikaarthaha is conveyed by Pratama Vibhaktihi. Okay. The sense of the Pratipadika is what is conveyed by the Pratama Vibhaktihi. When in the Sutra we have all the other words, Linga, Parimana, Vachana, Itri. Therefore, Pratama Vibhaktihi. Niyata Upastikaha Pratipadikaartaha. Niyata Upastikaha Pratipadikaartaha is the Siddhanta Kaumadikara definition. Niyata Upastikaha Pratipadikaartaha. That also we have seen before. In my notes, it was much elaborated. The Siddhanta Kaumadikara's explanation. Niyata Upastikaha Pratipadikaartaha. If you have my notes, you can check that. Otherwise, I'll show that. One minute. Let me. You can see the definition of the word Vedi. प्रातिपदिका अर्थः नियत उपस्थिका यस्मात् शब्दात् यः अर्थः नियमेन भासते यम् अर्थं प्रातिपदिकं न व्यभिचरति येन विना प्रातिपदिकस्य अप्रयोगः सः इति प्रातिपदिकार्थः विवक्षितः. Very clearly the commentator, the guru of Bhattoji Dikshita, who was a Vaiyakarana Shesha Shri Krishna, has commented on Pratipadika in his book Prakriya Kavudi. Yasma Shabdat Yaha Artaha Niyamena Bhasate. That meaning which the Shabda conveys. Yamartam Pratipadikam na Vyabhicharati. That meaning of which Pratipadikam do not, the meaning of which Yamartam Pratipadikam na Vyabhicharati doesn't change, do not change. Yena vina Pratipadikasya prayoga, without which Pratipadikam cannot be aprayoga, cannot be used. Saha iha Pratipadikartaha vivakshitaha. नियता निश्चिता नियमद्वा वा उपस्थितिः प्रतीतिः यस्य अर्थस्य असौ नियत उपस्थिकः यस्मिन् प्रातिपदिके उच्चारिते सति when a प्रातिपदिका is said uttered यस्य अर्थस्य नियमेन उपस्थितिः, that is called प्रातिपदिकार्थः, the meaning of the compound given. So pratipadika, sense of the pratipadikam is what is प्रातिपदिकार्थः. प्रातिपदिकार्थः प्रथमा विभक्तिः भवति. In uttering the प्रातिपदिका, what sense is conveyed? यस्मिन् प्रातिपदिके उच्चारते यस्य अर्थस्य नियमेन उपस्थितिः, that meaning which is present in the utterance of the pratipadika, that is called pratipadikaartha. So pratipadikaarte pratama, in conveying the meaning of the very pratipadikam, then pratama vibhakti is used. So that is what it means. The meaning of the sutram is pratama should be employed at the end of the pratipadikam to convey the same meaning as that of the pratipadikam, in addition to the gender, number, whatever it is, measure, etc. Such words like Uchchehi, Nichehi, etc., which do not have any gender, being indeclinables, and words of fixed gender, Krishnaha, Shri, Jnanam, should be taken as example for Pratipadika-artha matra. It is to be noted that case affixes should be added at the end of indeclinables also, so that they get the name Padam and be used in sentence, that we know, because Apadam na prayunjita. When it is said the affix Pratipadika-artha, affix conveys Pratipadika-artha, it doesn't mean Pratipadika expresses meaning first and the same meaning is expressed by the affix. It only means Pratama doesn't have any special meaning of its own. It is just added to the Pratipadikam to give the status of a Padam. You can note. So it doesn't add the Vibhakti Pratyaya, so just doesn't add any special sense, just gives the status of a Padam. The very meaning of the Pratipadika is Pratipadika-artha, meaning the meaning of the Pratipadika. The Pratyaya added to that gives a status of a Padam. The meaning of the Pratipadikam is conveyed by Pratipadikam itself, not the Pratyaya. The words like Tataha, Tati, Tatam, which do not have a fixed gender, should be taken example for Linga Matradikya. The affix in such words conveys gender in addition to the Pratipadika. So that is what the Pratyaya does. So more on this is there. Anyway, just this is Pratipadika Pratipadikarte Pratama for that. Pratipadikārtasya sadbhavat karmanaha abhigitatve api. That's the reason why Pratama Vibhakti is there for karma in karmani priyoga. Similarly, why Pratama Vibhakti is there for karta. Kartuha abhigitatve api. Pratipadikārtasya sadbhava. It just conveys the very meaning of the Pratipadika. So when the meaning of the very Pratipadikam alone is conveyed, then it will take Pratama Vibhakti. So Vibhakti doesn't give any special sense. Meaning of the very word is conveyed by the word itself. In addition to the meaning, the gender, whatever it is, the pratyaya is added just for the sake of converting that into a padam, usable padam. Pratipadikārtaha hi pratamayaha pravruttau nimittam. Okay. Then Sambodhana Pratama. He Rama Mam Pagi. Sambodhane cha 347. Iha Pratamasya. Sambodhanam Abhimukhi Kritya Jnapanam. That which is not Abhimukha is made Abhimukhi. Abhimukhi Kritya Jnapanam. Abhimukhi Kritya Jnapanam means the seeking the attention or calling the attention of the person. That is Abhimukhi Kritya. Abhimukhi Kritya Jnapanam. Sambodhana Pratama. Pratipadikārtena saha Sambodhane adhike gamyamane api Pratama syat. Iti sutrasya palitartaha. That is a sutram. Sambodhane cha in the Ashtadhyayi. Sambodhane cha Pratipadikārta linga parimana vachanamatre Pratama Sambodhane cha Pratama bhavati. So Pratipadikārtena saha Sambodhane is Abhimukhi Kritya. Sambodhane adhike. Then we have Pratama Vibhakti. It's called Sambodhana Pratama. Okay, then Ye Rama Mam Pahi. Rama iti Pratipadikam atra Pratipadikārtena Sambodhanartaha adhikataya gamyate. Along with the Pratipadikārta, Sambodhana Artha is more understood here. He Rama Mam Pahi. Tata Rama Shabdat Pratama Syat Prakrita Sutrena. Prakrita Sutram is 2347. Sambodhanecha. Sambodhanecha. If you see the Sutra, 2347. Abhimukhi Karanam Sambodhanam. Kashika defines what is Sambodhana. Tad adhike gamyamane Pratipadikarte Pratama na prapnoti iti vachanam arabhyate. Sambodhanecha Pratama vibhaktihi bhavati. So when Sambodhana is what is indicated, tadadike, then Pratipadikarte Pratama na bhavati. Not by the previous sutra, but Sambodhanecha Pratama vibhaktihi bhavati. Siddhantakam adhikara. Iha Pratama syat. Vasu. When the sense is that of addressing Abhimukhi Karanam, then Pratama Vibhakti is used. So therefore here it is not by 2346, by 2347. That's what he says here. Tad adike gamyamane. When the sense of addressing is more than the sense of pratipadika. Vachanam arabhyate, the sutra is there. Therefore, sambodhane cha pratama vibhakti bhavati. Okay. That's what here also he says. Pratipadikартena saha sambodhane adike gamyamane. And sambodhana is, that is abhimukhi karanam. When that is more emphasized, then pratama vibhakti bhavati by this sutra. Otherwise, why this required a sutra? Pratipadika Pratama, then the 2346 alone is enough. But here it is, Abhimukhi Karanam is important. Therefore, along with the meaning of the Pratipadikam, Sambodhane Adike Gamyamane, when the sense is that of addressing, then Pratama Vibhakti Bhavati. Therefore, the sutra is the Sambodhane Cha Pratama Syat. Pratipadikартena saha, along with the Pratipadik, meaning of the Pratipadikam, Sambodhana arthaha is adhikataya gamyate avagamyate. The sense of address is more understood here. Therefore, Pratama Vibhaktihi. Then Dvitiya. So Pratama Vibhaktihi, we have only these two sutra. Pratipadika Talinga Parimana Vachanamatre Pratama, important sutra, Niyata Upasatihi Pratipadikartaha, then Sambodhanecha, these two sutra only. Then Dvitiya, Karaka Dvitiya, Upapada Dvitiya, Karma Pravachaniya Dvitiya, Shaiti Dvitiya Trida Bhavati. Karma Pravachaniya only, there we have Padantarat. Upapada also and Karma Pravachaniya. There are Karma Pravachaniya, the very beginning itself is given. Karma Pravachaniya Dvitiya, one sutram is there. Number 8, Karma Pravachaniya Yukte Dvitiya. It's also we saw when there is Karma Pravachaniya, the word which is in Nipata, enjoys a sanya karma pravachan in particular sense, like we have seen Maryada, Abhividhi, Panchami, and Anur Lakshane. When these words are used, then Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhavati. Therefore, 3 types of Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti. Karma Sanyam Puraskritya Pravartamana Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Dvitiya Karaka Dvitiya. Pariganita Padanam Yoga Matre Pravartamana Dvitiya, that is Upapada Dvitiya. Karma Pravachaniya Sanyam Puraskritya Pravartamana Ya Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Sa Karma Pravachaniya Dvitiya. Karmani Dvitiya 232. Anukte Karmani Dvitiya Syat Anabhigite. Dvitiya Vibhakti Vidayaka Sutramidam. Karmani Dvitiya Bhavati Anena Sutrena Uchyate. Kim Targi Karma, what is Karma? Iti Akanshayam Ashtabhigi Sutraihi Kaischit Vartikaischa Karma Sanya Vidiyate. Kim Targi Karma, if you ask, इति आकांक्षायाम अष्टभिः सूत्रैः कैश्चित् वार्तिकैश्च कर्मसंज्ञाम् अविधीयते. Where in 1-4 section. In 1-4 section, there are sutra, which Ashtabhigi Sutraihi and also by Samvartika, Karmasanya is given. Divak Karmacha, one sutram is there, and before that also, the sutram is 1-4. Ashtabhigi Sutraihi, starting from here, even before also, and here also. Okay. Adishing Stasam Karma. Number 1. Abhinivishasya. Number two, upan vadhyang vasaha. Then we have kartuh ipsitavam karma, tata yuktam anipsitam akatitam cha. Then gati buddhi pratyasanata shabda karmanam shabda karmakanam ani karta sanau. Then kru ranyatarasyam. All these are it, and also Vartika also is there. That's what he says. Ashtabiki sutrahi kaischita Vartikaischa karma sanya vidiyate. Etaihi sutrahidam karma iti nirnaye jate prakrita sutre vidya parvataniya. It's very clear. When it is karma, then it will be given vidya bhaktihi anabhigite. अतः कर्मसंज्ञा विधायक सूत्राणि बहूनि कर्मसंज्ञाम् अवलंब्य द्वितीया विधायकं तु एकमेव सूत्रम्. Karma is defined through many sutras, but karma will take Dvitiya Vibhakti by Karmani Dvitiya, Anavigite Karmani Dvitiya only. Upapada Dvitiya Vidayakani Sutrani Vartikani cha Anyani Santi. There are many. Ataha Yena Yena Sutrena Karmasanya Vidiyate Tatra Tatra Karmani Dvitiya iti Ekena Eva Sutrani Dvitiya Pravartate iti Gneyam. Karmani Dvitiya is only sutra by which Dvitiya Vibhakti is ordained for Karma Karaka. सर्वासु कारक विभक्तिषु एषा एव सरणिः आदृता पाणिनिना इति स्मरणीयम्. All vibhaktis are assigned vibhakti, all karakas are assigned vibhakti in this way only. Now, karaka dvitiya, pachakaha tandulan pachati. Tandula dvitiya vibhaktihi, by the sutra, it enjoys karma singya, by the sutra, kartuhu ipsitatamam karma, 1429. Kartuhu kriyaya aptum ishtatamam karakam karma sangyam syat. That is the meaning. Ipsitatamam aptum ishtatam pachakaha tandulan pachati iti atra pachakaha karta. Tasya paka kriyaya aptum ishtatamaha is tandulaha, which is a karma. Ataha karma bhuta tandulat karmani dvitiya iti dvitiya vibhaktihi. Then pantaha gramam gachan trinam sprashati visham bhunkte. This is dvitiya vibhaktihi by gramam gachan pantaha trinam sprashati. Tata yuktam anipsitam 1450. Ipsitatama vat kriyaya yuktam anipsitam api karakam karma sanyam bhavati. Ipsitatamam karma bhavati iti purvena sutrena uktam anipsitam api karma bhavati. Tatkatam tadittam. भक्तः गंगां स्पृशति इत्यादो यथा भक्तस्य स्पर्शनक्रियाजन्य योगः गंगायां भवति तथैव पान्तः ग्रामं गच्छन् तृणं स्पृशति इत्यादौ अपि पान्तस्य स्पर्शनक्रियाजन्य योगः तृणे भवति. किन्तु पूर्वत्र गंगां स्पृशामि इति भक्तस्य इच्छा अस्ति, अतः गंगा ईप्सिततमा भवति. Whereas trinam sprashati ityatra tu pantasya trinam sprashami iti icha nasti. Tatapi kriyajanya sanyoga rupa palashayatva trinam karma sanyam prapnoti. Ipsitatamavat sarvam atra bhavati ichha vina ityartaha. That is tata yuktam anipsitam. There is no ichha on the part of the panta, the traveler who goes to the village and he touches the trina, touch grass. Pantaha gramam gachan pantaha trinam sprashati ityatra gramaha ipsitatamaha eva iti gramam gachan shatranta. Karma to the shatranta gachan kriya. So gramam is ipsitamam karma, trinam is anipsitam. Tata yuktam anipsitam. So ipsitatamaha eva iti kartuh ipsitatamam karma iti sutrena karma sangyam prapnoti. Trinam tu udasinam. Yataha trinasparshaha gaman samaye na antariyakataya bhavati yatu pantasya ichchaya. So तृणं तु उदासीनं यतः तृणस्पर्शः गमनसमये न अन्तरीयकतया भवति न तु पान्तस्य इच्छया. So not desired by the, it's not intended by the, not desired by the panta, the traveler. Then न अन्तरीयकतया तृणस्पर्श गमनसमये न अन्तरीयकतया means not by chance. न अन्तरीयकतया भवति तृणस्पर्शः तत् पान्तस्य इच्छया. तथापि स्पर्शनजन्य योगः अस्ति एव. अतः अनेन सूत्रेण कर्मसंज्ञां प्राप्नोति. ततः द्वितीया अत्र तृणस्य उदासीनत्वे अपि इच्छाम् अर्जयित्वा ईप्सिततमत्वात् सर्वम् अस्ति इति कर्मसंज्ञा भवति इति ज्ञेयम्. So tृणस्पर्श is not the icha. Therefore, तथा युक्तम् अनीप्सितम्, by that it gains, it has a कर्मसंज्ञा. Therefore द्वितीया देवदत्तः विषं भुङ्क्ते इति तु यदा वैरिणा निगृह्यमानः अनिच्छन्नपि विषं भुङ्क्ते तदा इदम् उदाहरणम्. देवदत्तः ओदनं भुङ्क्ते इति अत्र भुज् धातोः अर्थः गलबिलाध संयोगरूपं फलम् तदनुकूल व्यापारश्च. गल बिल अद संयोगरूपं. The food enters the gala, the mouth. So gala vila adha below enters संयोगरूप पलाश्रयत्वेन इष्यमानः ओदनः न तु विषः. अतः तस्य कर्मसंज्ञा यथा भवति तथा एव विषं भुङ्क्ते इत्यत्रापि इच्छायाः अभावे अपि गल बिल अधः संयोगरूप पलाश्रयत्वात् विषस्य कर्मसंज्ञा अनेन सूत्रेण भवति. ततः द्वितीया अत्र विषयस्य द्वेष्यत्वे अपि इच्छाम् अर्जयित्वा ईप्सिततमत्वात् सर्वम् अस्ति इति कर्मसंज्ञा भवति इति ज्ञेयम्. I think it is clear. तथा युक्तम् अनीप्सितम्, for that Visham Bhunkte is a famous example. Nobody takes Visha out of desire, out of will. So anichannapi. Therefore karma sangya. Then this is, we know this is by the Vikarmaka dhatu. Akatitam cha, that's sutram. Gopalaha gam dogdi payaha vamanaha valim yachate vasudham pantaha manavakam panthanam pruchati guruhu balam dharmam brute krishivalaha ajam gramam nayati akatitam cha apadanadi visheshaihi अविवक्षितं कारकं कर्मसंज्ञं स्यात्. द्विकर्मकस्थले सूत्रस्य अस्य प्रवृत्तिः यत्र भवति तत्र कर्तुः ईप्सितं कर्म इति सूत्रेण एव सिद्धं प्रधानं कर्म अन्यत् भवति एव. By the sutra कर्तुः ईप्सितं कर्म, that karma which is pradhanam, that karma which is given by the sutra can take other vibhakti also. Anyat bhavati eva. Tadrisha karmana yuktam apadanam sampradhanam adhikaranam va bhavati. Tatra apadanattvena avivakshitva karmatme vakshayam karmasanya bhavati. When there is an intention is not to express the other karaka, then it will take karmasanya, and therefore titiya. नभिगीते कर्मणि द्वितीया. अनेन सूत्रेण यस्य कर्मसंज्ञा तत् गौणम् इति उच्यते. So गौणकर्म, it will take the संज्ञा गौणकर्म. अविवक्षितम् अपादानादिकारकम् गौणसंज्ञां प्राप्नोति. I think this also we saw all these examples just for the sake of reading. गोपालः घाम दौग्धी पयः Gam also Dvitiya, Payaha also Dvitiya. Which is Pradhana here? Gopalaha, Gam, Dogdi, Payaha. Pradhana karma is, which is Pradhanam? Payaha or Gam?
Payaha.
Payaha is Pradhanam. Why we say Pradhanam? Because that which is can be expressed in other Karaka, that is expressed in karma, that is God of karma, Gam. So Gam can be either Panchami or Shashti. So Dugdaltoho Artaha Drava Dravya Vibhaga Rupam Palam Tad Anukula Vyaparascha Vibhaga Rupa Phala Ashrayatvat Payasaha Kartuhu Yipsitavam Karma Ityate Anena Karmatvam Payas Shabda. So Payasaha Shashti Bhakti here. Here in this example it is Dvitiya. अतः एव अस्य मुख्य कर्मत्वम सो पयः इज मुख्य कर्म पयस मुख्य कर्म गोः तु अवदित्वात् उपादानत्वम गोः इज अपादानकारक तद अपादानत्वस्य अविवक्षायां कर्मत्वम अनेन विवक्ष्यते therefore गोः इज अप्रधान कर्म गौण कर्म ततः उभयत्रापि द्वितीया कर्मणि द्वितीया इति सूत्रेण गोः यदि अपादानत्वेन विवक्षा तदा गोपालः गोः पयः दोग्धि इति प्रयोगः संभवति that is also correct only गोपालः गोः पयः दोग्धि same with other vikarmaka dhatus already we have seen so we can skip that idam avadeyam all these are given this is dhatu dogdi yachate pachati dhandayati runadhi pruchati chinoti brute शास्ति जयति मत्नाति मुष्णाति 12 धातुस् प्लस 4 नयति हरति कर्षति भगति एतदर्थक धातुः अपि विकर्मकाः एव यथा भिक्षते भाषते भक्ति इत्यादयः सो एत कारिकायां संगृहीताः एते धातवः छात्रः सप्ताहं वसति सः गोदोहं तिष्ठति सप्ताहं गोदोहं वसति तिष्ठति they are akarmaka dhatu but taking karma by what sutra by the vartika intransitive verbs can take karma when the action is done in that space duration of space or time akarmaka dhatu bihi yoge deshah kalah bhavah gantavya advacha karma sanyakah iti vachyam अकर्मक धातु बिहि योगे कुरु पांचालादि देशवाचकः मास संवत्सरादि कालवाचकः क्रियावाचकः कोशादि मार्ग परिमाणवाचकश्च कर्म संज्ञां प्राप्नोति देशवाचक कालवाचक क्रियावाचक then परिमाणवाचक all this will gain कर्म संज्ञा छात्रः सप्ताहं वसति he stays for 1 week वस्तुतः अकर्मकः तथापि तद्योगे सप्ताहस्य कर्मत्वं भवति द्वितीया सः गोदोहं तिष्ठति स्था धातुः आल्सो अकर्मक धातु तथापि तद्योगे गोदोगस्य कर्मत्वं गोदोग शब्दः क्रियावाचक हियर व्हाट वाचक सप्ताहं इट इज कालवाचक क्रियावाचक देन सप्ताह कालवाचक गोदोः अन्ते कालवाचकः एव अतः किमर्थं द्वयोः उपादानम् इति अत्र कालशब्देन अहोरात्रसम्मुखस्य सप्ताहादेः एव ग्रहणं गोदोगस्तु न तथा गोदोहन he says गोदोहन also is kalavachaka that's a slight difference is that सप्ताह कालवाचक गोदोः अपि अन्ते कालवाचक एव that time is there किम् अतः किमर्थम् उभयोः उपादानमिति उपादानकारक सारी किम् अतः नाट् उपादानक क्षम्यताम् अतः किमर्थम् उभयोः उपादानमिति why both are considered here उपादान कालशब्देन अत्र कालशब्देन अहोरात्रसमूहस्य सप्ताहादेः ग्रहणम्. सप्ताह includes that day and night tishtati. Whereas Godohastu na tata. Whereas Godoha is not like that. Till that action is completed. So Saptaham includes day and night. Therefore Kalavachaha. Godoha, therefore it has to be, even though it is also Kalavachaha, but it's a Kriyavachaka it is. Balaha Vidyalayam Gachati. Pita Balam Vidyalayam Gamayati. This is by the Sutra. Gatyartha, Pratyavasanartha. Then Shabda Karma Karmakanam Saha Nav Karta, right? Nav Karta. Anikarta. Bala Vidyalayam Gachati. Pita Balam Vidyalayam Gamayati. So Bala is Anikarta. Chhatraha Shlokartam Bodhati. Guruhu Chatram Shlokartam Bodhagati. Anikarta. Similarly, other example. Shishuhu Vodanam Bhunkte. Mata Shishum Vodanam Bhojayati. Balaha Gadyam Patati. Adhyapaka Balam Gadyam Patayati. Gadya is Kartuhu Ipsitavam. Bala is सूत्र गति बुद्धि प्रत्यसानार्थ शब्द कर्म कर्मकाणाम अपि अकर्मकाणाम अनिकर्ता सनौ. वृद्धः उपविशति. तृणः वृद्धम् उपवेश्यति. गतिः गमनं बुद्धिः अवगमनं प्रत्यवसानं इस् भक्षणम् ईटिंग. शब्द कर्म यस्य धात्वर्थस्य शब्दः एव यस्य धात्वर्थस्य. श्लोकः गद्यं मंत्र इति एवम् आदयः कर्म. Then akarmaka dhatu, yasya dhatu karma na sambhavati iti sutragata padhanam. Here akarmaka is, one point is that we have to take it the dhatu to be akarmaka dhatu. Only akarmaka dhatu, not sakarmaka dhatu, karma vikshaya. That we cannot consider. Only dhatus which are purely intransitive. Idam atra vagantavyam. धातुगणे पठिताः धातवः निष्प्रत्ययरहिताः शुद्ध धातवः इति उच्यन्ते. What are they called technically? Upadeshika dhatavah. These are mentioned in the Upadesha Dhatu Pata, therefore Upadeshika dhatavah, Shuddha dhatavah, Nishpratyarahitaha. Yata gacchati patati ityado prakriti bhutaha dhatuhu nishrahitaha. Ataha atra gam iti phat iti च शुद्धः धातुः इति उच्यते. शुद्ध धातुः एव अन्यन्तः इति अपि व्यवह्रियते. अन्त अनि that is no nijanta is शुद्ध धातु. शुद्धेभ्यः धातुभ्यः प्रेरणार्थे निष्प्रत्ययः विधीयते. ते धातवः एव न्यन्ताः निष्प्रत्ययान्ताः औपदेशिक धातवः. But औपदेशिक धातुs are many, can be derived by adding many pratyas, san, kyach, kyashiga, namadhatu, etc. But here we are now talking about only nich. यथा गमयति पाठयति भोजयति इत्यादौ प्रकृतिभूतः धातुः निच् सहितः. अतः अत्र गमी पाटी भोजी all these are निच् प्रत्ययेन सहितः इति कृत्वा न्यन्तः इति उच्यन्ते. अन्यन्तानां धातूनां कर्ता प्रयोज्यकर्ता is called हेतुः. अन्यन्तानां कर्ता not hetuhu, prayojaka karta is hetuhu, prayojya karta it is. Nyantanam dhatunam karta, prayojaka karta, it's called hetuhu. Technically, prayojaka karta, that is preranartaka karta, preranartaka karta, preraka karta, it's called hetuhu. Preranartake nich, we say. इति व्यवह्रियते. यथा बालः विद्यालयं गच्छति इत्यत्र बालः प्रयोज्यकर्ता. Whereas पिता बाल विद्यालयं गमयति अत्र पिता is प्रयोजककर्ता. So you can see prayojakakarta, hetuhu is used in two places. One is the different definition is given in 1-4 section. And hetumati cha, that is in the sense of Prerana, Nich Pratyaya will come after the dhatu. Etumati cha. Evancha gatyarthakanam avagamanarthakanam bhakshanarthakanam shabda karmakanam akarmakanam cha. प्रयोजकर्ता प्रयोजककर्तुः क्रियां प्रति कर्मसंज्ञकः भवति इति सूत्रस्य फलितार्थः, which we have seen example also. You can skip that. Then next one is विद्यार्थी किमपि जल्पति विलपति आभाषते. गुरुः विद्यार्थिनं किमपि जल्पयति विलापयति आभाषयति. शिशुः शुकं पश्यति, माता शिशुं शुकं दर्शयति. So here this jalpati pravrittinam upasankhyanam. Have we covered the sutra in our table? Drishesha sutram is there.
Yeah, that Jalpati is not there.
Is there no the table?
It is not
What
there.
is it? Not there? Is it not there? Some
Sheshcha is there.
yeah, Drishesha is there.
Point number 32, I think.
32. Somewhere I think Miss mentioned Jalpati.
Sheshcha is 32.
32.
No, Jalpati also Smrigra. Okay, this is not the one. It's not given by any sutram or vartikam, but vartikam, yeah, it's a vartikam. Yeah, vartikam means it must be there. Okay, if it is not there, then I will add. I think in Kale it was given, but not given as vartika there. But here he has mentioned as a vartikam. Okay, it's not there. You can just let me know if it is there. If it is there, I will not add. If it is not there, I will add. Jalpati pravrittinam upasankyanam. In Kale it is mentioned. Jalpati vilapati abhashate. And drishtata, of course, it is there. Drishescha vartikam. Iti etesham prayojya karta prayojaka karta kriyam prati karma bhavati. I will add the same example. Then vidyarthi kimapi jalpati vilapati habhashate. Guruhu vidyarthinam kimapi jalpayati. Same thing. Atra pratama vakye prayojaka karta vidyarthi. Dvitiya vakye prayojaka karta guruhu. जल्पत्यादीनां प्रयोगात् प्रयोजककर्तुः गुरोः प्रेरणक्रियां प्रति प्रयोजककर्ता विद्यार्थी कर्म भवति. जल्प प्रवृत्ति इति वार्तिकेन. किम् इति अस्य तु कर्तुः इप्सितं कर्म इति एव कर्मत्वं. ततः उभयत्रापि द्वितीया कर्मणि द्वितीया इति सूत्रेण. Okay. Guruhu vidyarthinam kimapi jalpayati. Pratama vakya prayojya karta is given. Dvitiya vakya prayojaka karta guruhu. So jalpatyadinam prayogat prayojaka kartuhu guroho prerana kriyam prati prayojaka karta vidyarthi karma bhavati. Therefore, okay, by this vartika. Kim, okay, kim iti asyatu. Okay, kim the word is there. So that takes karma by kartuhi ipsitamam karma. Kimapi is there. That kimapi takes this karma sanya by kartuhi ipsitamam karma. Vidyarthinam is karma by the sutra, by the vartika, jalpati pravritti. Okay, I will add this. This is the pashyati. Shishuhu shukam pashyati, pita shishum shukam darshayati. प्रथमवाक्ये शिशुः प्रयोज्यकर्ता, द्वितीयवाक्ये पिता प्रयोजककर्ता। So दृष्टातोः प्रयोगात् प्रयोजककर्तुः पितुः प्रेरणक्रियां प्रति प्रयोज्यकर्ता शिशुः कर्म भवति दृश्येश्च इति वार्तिकेन। This वार्तिकम् is there. And Shuka taking Dvitiya Bhakti by Kartuh Ichitamam Karma. Similarly, Vahati Nayati, this also is there. By the Sutra, by the Vartikam, Vagdatu, Nivakyoho Na, right? It will not be Dvitiya. That's a negation. That is also by Vartikam, right? Nivakyoho Na. Brityaha Varam Vagatya Nayati. Swami Brityena Varam Bahayati Anayayati. That is one negation. Second one, Balaha Annam Khadati Atti Bhakshayati. Mata Bhalena Annam Khadayati Adayati Bhakshayati. Adadatu, and then Khadadatu. I think there also we have one Vartika.
Adikadyorna.
Adikadyorna. By that. Adikadyorna. By that. Then Balaga Shabdayate. Mata Bhalena Shabdapayati. This is by this Sutra Shabda Vairak. One Sutram is there. Shabda Vairakalaga Abrakana Mege Bhyakarane. I think by that we get this word Shabdayate Namadatu. Shabdaya is a Dhatu. Balaga Shabdayate. It's Namadatu. Shabda Vairakalaga Abrakana Mege Bhyakarane. One Sutram is there in one section. We have not, in this class, we have not seen Namadatu. Namadatu we have seen before. Shabda Vaira Kalaha Brakhanma Mege Bhyakarane. It has the, I think, Kyang Pratyaya will come. Therefore, Shabdaya. Kyang is Nit Pratyaya. Therefore, Atmanepadi Shabdayate is given. Balaha Shabdayate. Mata Bhalena Shabdapayati. I think this also not there in the table.
3117.
It's not there, Sharaji.
Sorry?
3117. Shabda Vaira Kalpa.
Yeah, that's the one. Namadatu.
Not included in the
Table.
yes.
So, two, I will add. Nivagyohona, that is there. Adikadyohona, that is also is there. Bhaksheha himsatasya, that also is there. Then this is the one. Shabdayater na. Vartikam, that is not there. Niyantru kartruka vagdatum imsartaka bhakshatum chavarjigitva. I think that is there. Nayati vahati atti kadati bhakshiti etesham prayojik karta. Prayojaka kartuhu kriyam prati karmana bhavati iti vartikanam artaha. Nayati vagati ityanayoho gatyartakatvat atti kadati bhakshiti iti etesham bhakshanartakatvat shabdayati iti asya akarmakatvat pryojakartuhu gati buddhi pratyasarartha. By that sutra karmatvam etehi vartikehi nishidyate. So nishidyate. All this vartika negates the sutra. Gati buddhi sutra. So shabdayati, shabda plus kyang pratyaya. When you add kyang pratyaya, shabda plus kyang is a nyit pratyaya. So shabda plus kyang, you get shabdaya. I think that a becomes a. If it is kech, then a goes away. But here it is not kech. It is kyang. 3117. That is a sutra. In Namadatu we have seen. I forgot what is that. How it comes. Shabdam karoti shabdayate is given. You can, for those who You can see the Namadhatu, Shabda Vaira Kalaga Brakandameke Byakarne, Tidatoho, Kyang Pratyaya, not Kwang, it's a mistake. Kyang. Pratyaya is Ingit Pratyaya, therefore it will be Atmanepadi. Shabdam Karoti iti Shabdayate. Vairam Karoti iti Vairayate. Kalahayate, Abhrayate, Kanvayate, Meghayate, Ti Rupani. All these are Namadhatu. Namadhatu forms. Shabdaya is a word. Then you get Shabdayate. So that is what it says here. Shabdayate, the word is. Then, so, Balaha Shabdayate, Matra Balena Shabdapayati. Shabdapayati is one Pukka Kama will come Nijanta Rupam. Shabdapayati. अत्र उभयत्रापि बालः प्रयोजकर्ता माता प्रयोजककर्त्री आदिकाद्योर्न भक्षेः अवगिंसार्थस्य न वा इति वार्तिकाभ्यां प्रयोज्यकर्तुः बालस्य कर्मत्वनिषेधः अतः न द्वितीया then प्रयोज्यकर्तुः कर्तृत्वस्य सद्भावात् कर्तृकर्मणयोः तृतीया इति तृतीया एव. Okay, so बालेन is तृतीया विभक्ति by कर्तृकर्मणयोः तृतीया, and bala will not be enjoy karma sanya, that is negated by this vartika. Okay, that I will add. Then we have kru and hru dhatu also. Ru kroho anyatarasya, we have optional. Karmakaraha katam karoti. Swami karmakarena katam karayati, or karmakaram also. Karmakarena va karmakaram. Ni hru. Now we have the sutra. Ru kroho anyatarasya. Yes, here it is 1453. We have optionally Tritiya Vibhakti for the Prayojya Karta. That also we have seen. Nihan Kr. Okay, then Pachdhatu. What is Pachdhatu special here? I think that also we have seen. Pachakaha Odanam Pachati. Swami Pachakena Odanam Pachayati. What is Pachdhatu? 1 minute. Do we have any Pachdhatu special sutram for that? Pachdhatu. I think this is also not there in the table. Maybe we need to add. Number 9 in this. Atra pratama vakye prayojya karta is pachaka. Dvitiya vakye prayojaka karta. Prayojya karta pachaka prayojaka karta swami. Dvitiya vakye. Prayojaka kartuhu swaminaha prerana kriyam prati prayojya kartuhu pachakasya karmatvam nasti. Ataha dvitiya nasti. Kintu prayojya kartari Pachake kartattvasya sadbhavat kartृकर्मणयोः तृतीया iti तृतीया eva. I think this is also not there in the table. I will add Pachdhatu. Point number 9. Am I right? This is not there in the table. Pachdhatu. Those two. Jalpati. Jalpati.
We could not hear properly.
Jalpati.
Can you hear me now? Hello?
Yes, Ji.
Yes,
Now,
yes.
okay. Yes,
Yeah.
Ji.
Jalpati prabhatinam upasankhyanam. This is not there in the table. And Shabdayate, that is also Namadhatu. It's not there. And pachati also not there. It's 3. The table not there, I will add. Okay. Fine. I think we'll stop here. We'll continue from reading the Tritiya Vibhakti. Issue Anantarbhutatvat. It is also not there. Okay, I think this also to be added. Khandhatu. Pachdhatuh pariganiteshu na antarbhutaha. Pachdhatu is also not given by any Vartika. But it is, the language, it is Pachdhatuh pachayati. When it is Nijantarupam, then Anikarta will take Tritiya Vibhaktihi. So similarly, Khandhatu also. There is no Vartikam given, but still all these dhatus are also should be noted. I will just add as some points in the table. Update and I will send it to you. Okay. Fine. I think we'll stop here. Then point number 10 onwards, we will read in the next class. I think 4 points to be added. One is Jalpati Pravritinam, then Shabdayate, then Khandhatuhu, other one is Pachdhatuhu. 4. Okay. We'll stop here. Om Purnamadav Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om. Dhanyavadaha.
धन्यवाद शंकर।
धन्यवादः जी।
धन्यवाद शैलजी।
धन्यवाद।
धन्यवाद।